Okay, today is Friday morning. I'm gonna show you how to cook chicken egg noodle soup. Okay, it's very easy. Let's go start it. Alright, this is the water. I'm gonna use 1 gallon water right here. Go ahead, put in there. Okay, 1 gallon in the pot right now. Alright, doesn't boil it. I'm gonna show you how to seasoning the chicken noodle soup. Okay, let's turn on the stove. This herb right here. They're gonna make a noodle soup taste so good. Okay, use this herb. They say fir, PXO. The herb or everything in here, or everything in here. So I'm gonna show you how to put in the soup. This herb right here, they have the bag come with. See the bag right here? How good is that? Got the bag right here. Okay, this is the bag right here. Just go ahead, put this all the herb in the bag right here. Everything in. You know, they got the cinnamon, they got the star, and they got all everything right here. So just tie it up and put in the soup. Okay, tie it up, put it up like that. That's it. Tie real good so the seed don't come out. Tie real good. Okay, that's it. Just like that. Just like that. Now put in the soup. Put in the water. Let them boil it. Okay, my seasoning is gonna be salt. Alright, it's gonna be salt. Okay. Okay, my seasoning gonna be salt. 1 spoon of sauce. Okay, let's go 2 spoons first. Okay, do you see? Are you see good? Okay. And the second gonna be sugar. Sugar, 1 big piece. Third gonna be chicken broth. 1 spoon, 1 big spoon. 4 gonna be vinegar. Vinegar, this is secret of make soup. Okay, you're gonna put the vinegar. I'm gonna put 2 spoons first. 1 spoon. Don't go so much because you have to taste first how you like it. Okay, that's vinegar in. Okay, 5 gonna be whole chicken. This is frozen chicken. Don't worry about. Just go ahead, put it here. Chicken in. Alright, come back later. Okay, is everything in now? It's very easy. Okay, let them boil for 1 hour because chicken's frozen, so let them cook for 1 hour. Alright, come back later. Let them boil good. Okay, I have a candy rock, guys. Don't matter. You don't have to put. I put 2 sugar spoons in there already, but I'm gonna drop 1 candy rock in there. Okay. Sorry, when I say candy rock, I mean candy rock sugar. Oh my God, I didn't know that chicken had the head. This I bought from Chinese market. God, they got everything whole set. Wow, I put the candy rock sugar in there. Okay. See vinegar, I put 2 spoons already because I add on more water, so I'm gonna drop some more vinegar in there a little bit. That's all you need. Don't need a lot. Okay. About 3 spoons in there for full 1.5 gallon water. This fish sauce, I'm gonna put like just an eyeball, about 3 spoons. 3 spoons. So that's taste. You know, very easy to make chicken soup because chicken whole body. I didn't know that. That's awesome. Wow, I don't expect that. To have chicken have a whole body like that. I don't expect that one. Whew. Man, I know I don't get that one, but that's okay. So let's taste. Oh wow, tastes so good. I need some more salt though, guys. I need more fish sauce. Let's put more fish sauce, about 5 spoons in there, okay? To make a taste. Fish sauce, I got sugar, I got chicken broth in there. And you know, when you make a chicken soup, you don't have to put anything. You fix in here. Everything tastes enough for you. Oh wow, tastes so good. Everything tastes enough and that's it. You don't need to add on nothing else. Okay guys, one more ingredient I forgot to put in here. You drop 1 head of the onion in there, okay? We have white onion, red onion, no problem. That's what I got in the house, white onion. I mean red onion. Just drop in there. The soup looks so good right now. You don't believe it? Let me have a taste. Oh wow, tastes so good. Okay, so good. Very easy to make pho or noodle soup. Just the way I make. Follow me and I'll show you to make. Very easy eat in the house with family and friends, with your kid. We have a lot of kids. have big family, don't go out and eat because too expensive. Just make the way I make. It save a whole lot of money, okay, and delicious and quality. Okay, chicken, half hour I've been boiling. It's done, so take it out. Take it out, okay. Right here. Chicken already done. Just let the soup stay warm. Okay, let's start. Separate the meat. Look at that, it's already ready to eat now. Look at that, guys. Just take off the thigh. So that's the one you're gonna put in the soup. Take off the two thigh right here. Oh yes. Only 2 people, so that's why I make small chicken. Okay, 2 wings, 1 for everybody. 2 wings, 2 thigh, 1 for everybody is good enough. I don't eat a lot of meat, just 1 flavor, that's all. So, oh, this one break off. Not beautiful. Okay, that's fine. Now coming to the part of the body. You know, you can buy any kind of chicken. You don't have to go whole pea chicken like me, but I love whole pea chicken like that. See, that's a good one like that. And unbelievable, they got the foot too. Oh my God! And the head. That's Chinese. They believe in that. When they eat the chicken, they feel lucky because they got everything in. The Chinese people. It's the import from GW Market, Quick W, GW Market, Chinese. Okay, this is part of the breast, chicken breast right here. If you want to go through all that, you just buy the chicken breast only or the leg, the thighs, whatever you want to buy. It's no problem. It's long the chicken. But I love the whole chicken like that. You see that? Just take off that. It's a lot of meat. So let's go make a noodle. Okay, I'll show you next step. Here I have it, the chicken right there. It's a lot of chicken. Alright, let's go make the noodle. Okay, I'm gonna boil the noodle. So just go ahead I like a lot of water. So I'll show you how to boil the noodle. Okay, come back another half hour because let the water boiling first. I'll show you ready to eat now. This is bean sprout. Okay, always have bean sprout when you make a chicken noodle soup. And this is egg noodle, okay? Egg noodle you can buy any kind. You can buy a skinny one, a round, long one. You can buy the square like this. Okay, I'm showing you how to cook this noodle. Alright. Okay, this is my topping of noodle soup, and I have garlic hot oil I make on my own. Next time I'll show you how to make this. And then I have the stir-fried garlic, and then I have chive, spring onion, cilantro, and lime. Okay, so let's get them together, get started to eat. I'm hungry now. The water boil now, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop the noodle in. It's very easy, about 8 to 10 minutes. Just drop the noodle in. This is for 2 people, but you can eat it in 3. Yes. Okay, when you put noodle in, keep stir, okay, because you don't want noodles stick together. Okay, right now 2:27. I will say 8 minutes cooking noodle. Okay, let them boil and cook 8 minutes. Okay, noodle cook in 5 minutes. Okay, ready? Noodle done. Alright, let's take the noodle out. It's already done. 5 minutes only. Okay, take this noodle out. It's already done. Okay. Okay, let's fix it. Put it in the bowl. How much you want? It's up to you. I love egg noodle. You can get rice noodle too, but I love egg noodle. Okay, noodle in. Alright, let's just put the bean sprout. Bean sprout tastes good. Okay, and let's get some chicken in here. How much you want the chicken meat? It's up to you. Okay, right here. Have some fun. I want the next and the food. That's what I want. Just like that, you guys. You don't believe I don't want no meat. I want all the bone. I don't like to eat a lot of meat. Okay, that's topping. Alright, this is done already, okay? Let's go put the soup on. Soup right there. Okay, let's go put it. Just like that, you guys. So easy to make the noodle soup, okay? Very easy. How much you need the soup? It's up to you. You like a lot of soup, let's do it. A lot of soup. Just like that. See that? Looks so yum, right? This is mine. I love a lot of soup on mine. There you have it. I'm going to show you how to topping just topping spring onion, just like that, spring onion and a little chai. Okay, topping that. And here for him, here for me, just like that. Secret of my cooking, you're gonna have the fried garlic right there. See that? Fried garlic. Fried garlic. Hot cherry garlic oil right here. You want spicy, you put more. I just want just enough like that. Just like that. See that, guys? So easy. Just make it at home, and your family, and you have children. You know, enjoy the food and healthy and not expensive, very cheap. Okay, that's what I got. My ingredient right there, and then so easy. Everything just like that. If you want more spring onion, put it more. You want less, or you don't, doesn't matter. Right here. Okay. All right. Okay. Sit down and eat. There you go. Go sit down and eat. Have a good time. All right. Okay, when you do this soup, just squeeze the lime in here. And I love put it all because I love the flavor of the lime set right here. Put the lime set in here. I love the whole lime in here. Now, this is what you do. Just mix them together and just eat. So easy and very cheap. $10 eat whole family. $10, maybe less, depends what kind of chicken you want. Okay, you want white noodle, mung bean noodle, like, or rice noodle, mung bean noodle, or egg noodles, up to you. Okay, okay, that's it. That's it. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna eat now. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and come up more video. See you next video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Okay. You can add on mung bean noodle too, not just egg noodle. You can be anywhere. The soup I just make, so I can add on the chicken and soup in there. So let's go put the noodle in here. Noodle right here. Just go ahead, drop it down. Yeah, cook for 1 minute. Then cook for 1 minute. That's it. Just very quick. Yep, so easy. You have leftover, you just put the soup in the bowl, in the pot like this, add on the chicken, and then now you add on mung bean, and this is done. Alright, let's go put it in the bowl. Oh yes. Yeah. This is another one. Just get the soup warm up, and chicken boil it. Yep, just like that. Warm up again. You can eat over and over. You make big pot, you can eat like 2-3 days. Save your time and save your money. Good food. This is mung bean noodle. Drop the bean sprout. Drop the spring onion. Drop the chives. I love chives. Just like that. This fried garlic. Fried garlic put in there. This garlic hot cherry oil. Put a little bit of spice. Very spicy. That's it. Mung bean noodle chicken soup. Gang set lord. So easy, guys. That's it, and then you eat it. That's just like that. Mung bean noodle, clear noodle. Just like that. So good. When you make big pot, you overeat next day and next day. And there you have it. That's very good soup right here. That's it. Yum. Here, lime. Squeeze the lime in. The lime set. I always keep the lime set in there. Love it, just like that. This one, egg noodle. Bean sprout. And wait for the soup get hot. Soup still boiling right now. Soup boiling now. I'm gonna go ahead put in the noodle right here. It's easy, guys. If you wanna eat, just like that, okay? It's too much soup, so over. healthy food and easy. When you make one time, you can eat over and over until finished. So sprinkle the spring onion and chive, and put the fried garlic in here, and hot oil, a little bit hot oil in here. Cut the spicy, don't put too much. There you have it. That's second round, guys. Noodle soup, chicken noodle soup. Crazy yum. Careful, it's very hot, okay?
Oh, that looks so delicious.
Yeah.